A very lovely good morning to all my dear little children. Once again, I welcome you in the class of general knowledge. Let's boost our memory, boost our intelligence through some proper knowledge. Okay. Now, children, today in this session we will start grammar and language. We will study from the section of grammar and language, page number 34 till page number 37. The chapters are antonyms, household tools, action words, and genders. Now, children, question arises, what is grammar and what is language? Now, children, language is a way in which you express your thoughts, ideas, and feelings. It helps us to communicate with people. Then, what is grammar? Grammar is is the set of rules. Grammar helps to form a language. It helps us to decide to form words in order to form our sentences. Now, why grammar is important? Grammar is very important because it helps us to talk and form sentences. Okay, now children, from this portion we will uh, study four chapters that are antonyms, household tools. Household tools is from the grammar vocabulary portion, and um, your action words. Action words are the doing words. Okay, when you do some actions like sleeping, sitting, standing, walking, and from gender. Okay, now let's start our chapters. So our first chapter is antonyms. What is antonyms? Now, what is antonyms? Antonyms are the opposite words, the words which have opposite meanings. That are called antonyms. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning, like hot, cold, big, small, sit, stand. Okay, now there are one more thing, that is synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are the word which have same meanings, like huge, big. Huge is also called big, and big is big. So there are many things like happy, joyful, big, large. So these are the synonyms because they have the same meanings. Now, children, what are antonyms? We will discuss about antonyms. Antonyms are the opposite meaning. I already told you, like big, small, hot, cold, uh, thin, thick. So these are long, short, all these are antonyms because they are having the opposite meaning. Now, now what you have to do? Open this chapter which has antonyms. You can see it is written here, antonyms. Now open this page and let's start doing all these questions. Let's solve all these questions. Now before going forward, what you have to do? You have to write date. Then write classwork. Write date and write classwork. Now what is the first sentence? Let's read this sentence. There was a huge, you can see huge is written in bold, huge banyan tree in the courtyard. So what is huge? What is the opposite of huge? Huge is called very big, very large. That is the meaning of huge. So its opposite is small. Big, small. So huge, small. Now next sentence is look before you touch the boiling pan. Boiling pan means heated pan. Very hot pan. So what is the opposite of boiling? Cold. I told you na, hot. Hot pan, so hot, cold. So boiling. Now we should relax as the police will definitely protect us. So this sentence one, we should relax because police is there to protect us. So what is the meaning of what is the opposite of protection? What is the opposite of protection? Harm. The opposite of protection is harm. Okay. Now protect, you are protecting someone, and harm means you are harming someone. You are making someone feel bad. When you protect, the person will feel good. When you harm someone, then someone will feel bad. So like good, bad. Now he is a wise old sage. Wise, another meaning is intelligent. So what is the opposite of wise? Foolish. So opposite of wise is foolish. The fragrant flowers have made the air refreshing. Fragrant flowers smells are very, very beautiful, very lovely. So the fragrant flowers have made the air refreshing. What will be the opposite word? Smelly. The fragrant flowers have made the air refreshing. The opposite of fragrance is smelly. Is smelly. So the fragrant is good smell and smelly is bad smell. Now he is a cheerful child. Cheerful means joyful, happy. He's a cheerful child. So what is the opposite of cheerful? Sad. What is the opposite of cheerful? Sad. Cheerful, I told you, happy, joy, and the opposite of happy is sad. Ancient. Ancient is very old. So ancient building attracts everyone's attention. People go to visit ancient buildings, ancient monuments. So what is the opposite of ancient? Modern. Modern is new. So old, new. Okay. Now next is sorry. Sorry, the hotel does not have a vacant room. Vacant is like empty. You can say empty. Now what is the opposite of vacant? Occupied. The vacant opposite is occupied. Means there is no room empty. No room empty in this hotel. Now let's revise this. Once let's revise this. First write down the date. Write down classwork. Now what you have to do? You have to pick the antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are opposite. So, first sentence, there was a huge banyan tree in the courtyard. So, what is the opposite of huge? Huge, small. Look before you touch the boiling pan. So, what is the opposite of boiling? Cold. Boiling is hot and air is cold. We should relax as the police will definitely protect us. So, protect us, save us. Now, what is the opposite of protect? Harm. He is a wise old sage. Wise is intelligent. Now, what is the opposite of wise? Foolish. The fragrant flowers have made the air refreshing. Fragrant is good smell. And what is the opposite of good smell? Bad smell. So it is smelly. Fragrant, smelly. He is a cheerful child. Cheerful child, happy child, joyful child. There are many words. But what is the opposite of cheerful? Sad. Ancient buildings attract everyone's attention. Ancient is very, very old. Now, so what is the opposite of ancient? Modern. Modern is new. Old, new. Ancient, modern. Sorry, the hotel does not have a vacant room. Vacant is empty. So there is no empty room because every room is occupied. So what is the occupied? What is the meaning of occupied? Occupied is full. Okay, empty, full. vacant, occupied. Huge, small, big, small, boiling, cold, hot, cold, protect, harm, safe, protects another meaning is safe, protect, harm, wise, foolish, intelligent, foolish, wise, foolish, fragrant, smelly, good smell, bad smell, fragrant, smelly, cheerful, happy, and opposite is sad. Cheerful, sad. Happy, sad. Ancient, modern. Old, new. Another meaning of these two words is ancient, old, modern, new. Old, new. Vacant, occupied. Empty, full. Now let's switch on to the another chapter. English vocabulary words with pictures. So what is vocabulary? I told you what is vocabulary. In this chapter you have to learn the names of household things. So what are household things? Household things are the cooking utensils which are used for food preparation. Now these cooking utensils, they vary with time and style of cooking, because in only one utensil you cannot make everything. So, and each utensil take their own time for cooking, for preparation. So so they vary with time and style of cooking. Now let's see what is in this chapter. uh, So this is your page. Open this page, and first what you have to do, you have to write the date and then classwork. Date and classwork. Now let's see. This is the first household tool. This is the first tool which helps in cooking. What is this? What is the name of this? This is whisker. Whisker is used to mix something. Whisker. This is whisker. Helps in mixing something. Now what is this? It's very easy. Frying pan. Frying pan is used to fry something, and you can cook different types of items also in this. So this is frying pan. The next, what is this? This is can opener. There are cold drink can, isn't it? Cold drink can, or sauce bottle. So by the help of this tool you can open it. Now next, what is this? Wok. This is wok, in which you can many type of dishes can be cooked in this. Now what is this? What is this? This is cutting board. This is used for cutting and chopping different vegetables. Now what is this? This is spatula. Spatula is used to fry something. So it is used with frying pan. In frying pan, when you cook something, you use spatula. Now next, what is this? This is strainer. A strainer helps in washing fruits and vegetables. When you wash in fruit and vegetable, you keep in a strainer, all the waters dry away. Now what is this? This is tongs. It is used to hold dishes, some items while cooking. So this is tongs, and you must have seen your mother. Your mother also uses it in making rotis. Now, last, what is this? Rolling pin. This is used to make rotis, puris, parathas, whatever, a different type of breads. So this is rolling pin. Now on which it is rolled? On which thing it is rolled? It is rolled on roller board. Roller board. On roller board, you roll rotis, different types of flatbreads with the help of rolling pin. Now, once again, let's revise all these the name of all these household tools. So, first you have to write date and classwork. First tool is whisker, whisker, frying pan, can opener, wok, cutting board, spatula, strainer, tongs, and rolling pin. Whisker, frying pan, can opener, wok, cutting board, and on cutting board you can see what is this? This is knife. You place the fruit and vegetables over it and cut it with the help of knife. Spatula, strainer, tongs, rolling pin. Now let's move forward. Action words. Action words are the doing words. When you are doing something, that is called action words. Like here in this picture you can see the child is sleeping, the man is singing, the girl is dancing, and she is playing, she is reading. So all these things which they are doing, they are different types of actions. Now let's move forward the chapter. The name of this chapter is Action Words. Now, what you have to do, you have to color the flowers that represent actions, and you have to help this frog uh, to go to the fly, because this frog wants to eat the fly. So you have to help. So what you have to do, you have to color all these uh, flowers. This is lotus. Which flower is this? Lotus. And lotus is our national flower. Okay. Now, what you have to do, first write down the date and then write down classwork. Date and classwork. Now let's start. Now first action word is mop. What is the first action word? Mop. Next, hop. Mop, hop. Nap. Next is nap. Tap, tap. Cry, cry. Dig. This is the last word. And the frog reaches the fly. Once again, write down date, classwork. Children, color the flowers beautifully, neatly. Okay. Now, first word is, action word is mop. Mop, hop, nap, tap, cry, dig. Mop, hop, nap, tap, cry, dig. Animals and their genders. Now children, what is gender? Gender is the way to describe about humans and animals, their characteristics, their speciality. So it helps them to learn. Gender is the way in which which helps about them, how we can classify them, how can we understand their way of living, their way of doing things. So gender is very important. So this is the chapter. In this chapter, what you have to do, first you have to write the date and then classwork. Write down the date and classwork. Now let's start. What you have to do, you have to pair both gender, male and female. Male means boy, female means girl. So what you have to do, you have to join both the gender of the animal. You can see here the pictures of the animals are made, and here is the male word written, and in through this word you have to join with female words. These are the boy category word and these are the girls category word. First word is Drake. What is the first word? First word is Drake, and Drake will join with duck. Duck. Drake will join with duck. Next is fox. Fox will join with vixen. Fox will join with vixen. Now Billy. Billy will join with nanny. Billy, nanny. Stallion, mare. Stallion, mare. Cob, purse, pen. Cob, pen. Buck, doe. Buck, doe. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Drone, queen. Drone is queen or worker. Jack, Jenny. Jack, Jenny. Boar, so. Boar, so. Now let's revise these words again. First write down the date, classwork, and then Drake matches with duck. Fox, vixen. Drake, duck. Fox, vixen. Billy, nanny. Billy, nanny. Stallion, mare. Stallion, mare. Cob, pen. Cob, pen. Buck. Buck will match with doe. Buck will match with doe. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. I think we have left cob. Cob will match with pen. By mistake, we left cob. Cob will match with pen. Drone. Drone will match with queen. Jack, Jenny. Jack, Jenny. Boar, so. Boar, so. Now let's move forward. Now this is let's boost our memory by these few questions in this do you know section. Now children, which is the smallest state of India? Yes, you must have recognized through picture. People go for holidays to spend some holidays in this state. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Which is the tallest statue in the world? Statue of Unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai statue. And it is in India. And where in India? Gujarat. And this time, this is the world's tallest statue. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Statue of Unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai statue, which is in India. Which bird lays the largest eggs in the world? Yes, you can see such a big eggs. Which bird is this, children? Recognize? Can you recognize? This is Ostrich, and this is flightless bird. This bird cannot fly, but this bird runs very, very fast. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Yes, the doctor who who do the treatment of teeth. What is the name given to that doctor? What is called? What do we call the doctor of teeth? Dentist. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Dentist. Let's quickly revise these few questions from Do You Know section. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Statue of Unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Statue, India. Which bird lays the largest eggs in the world? Ostrich. Flightless bird. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Dentist. Children, I hope you all must have understood the chapters very well. Complete your work. Children, study and revise everything which you have learned today and revise all the things which you have learned in the previous classes also, children. Okay, now, okay, complete your work. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Have a nice day.